Alright, this is the woodpecker we've been hearing every morning. Hello, woodpecker. This is in our backyard. We say, hey, we hear the woodpecker. And so we found him, didn't we, Annie? He's in the same spot up that tree. Just a little guy, isn't he, Emery?
Huh?
It's not very big to make all that noise, huh?
No, that's tiny. I see him!
Where did he go?
Right here.
Oh, I see him. Let's see if I can find him with the camera. I can't tell looking through this thing. Oh, there he is.
Where?
Hey.
There's him.
It's hard to not have camera shake when I'm zoomed in. Alright, see you later, Mr. Woodpecker. Emery, what do you think of that woodpecker?